So you have the Xbox Series S or X, and you have the green screen or death, or basically the green Xbox boot screen. I'm going to show you what to do to get it up right now before you do anything else or even try a factory reset. So try this first. Obviously this is fixed, but we're going to pretend we have the green screen of death here, okay? So your Xbox is on, you have the green screen of death there. So first thing is this, what you want to do is power this down, okay? The Xbox button here, press and hold. Just keep holding till the light turns off. It's blinking there, okay? Now it's totally off. So the Xbox is currently off. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the power source and I'm going to unplug both the TV and the Xbox. So let me go down here. Both the plugs are right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and just pull these both out like this. Now the TV and the Xbox are both unplugged. Now, with this unplugged and turned off, we're going to press and hold this Xbox button again. We're going to press and hold for 30 seconds, give it a discharge. So stay here, count to 30 seconds, 14, 15, 29, and 30. Now we want to plug back in both the TV and the Xbox. Okay, now we're going to turn the Xbox on, turn your TV on, and for me I need to go to the correct HDMI port here. It's on HDMI 2, so let me select that. And now you should be up and running. Now if you still get the green screen of death, do the same procedure again. If it doesn't work, try a third time. Sometimes it's a charm. If it worked for you, give me a thumbs up. If it didn't, give me a thumbs down. We should have at least 80% thumbs up.